Hello students. Our subject for today is EVS 2. Children, in our previous lesson, we learned that Shivaji captured 5 forts. Can you all tell me their names? Yes, right. Shivaji captured Torna Fort, Rajgarh, Kondana Fort, Purandar Fort and Rohida Fort. So, children, after that, many people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. But who were they? How Shivaji handled them? Children, let's start our lesson. Lesson number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. Children, in this lesson, we will learn that how Shivaji's relatives were his enemies. इंटरनल मीन्स शिवाजी के अपने ही किस तरीके से उनके शत्रु थे और उन्हें किस तरीके से तकलीफ दे रहे थे, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस लेसन. द मावलास ऑफ द 12 मावल्स गैदर्ड राउंड शिवाजी. दे वर विलिंग टू डाई फॉर स्वराज. बजाजी नाइक निंबलकर ऑफ फलटन was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. He started plotting against Shivaji. So Shivaji attacked Fulton and imprisoned him. बच्चों, शिवाजी का अपना ही रिलेटिव बजाजी नाइक निंबलकर शिवाजी के खिलाफ प्लान कर रहा था. शिवाजी ने फल्टन पे अटैक किया और उसे जेल में बंदी बना दिया. आफ्टर दैट Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. शिवाजी ने उसे पकड़कर उसे कर्नाटक भेज दिया. With Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji defeated them and drove them out. The greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized everywhere. He captivated the heart of his people. But the More of Javli did not like this. He was the Jagirdar of Javli. To give trouble to Shivaji, he attacked Shivaji's territory and harassed people. शिवाजी को तकलीफ देने के लिए मोरे शिवाजी की टेरिटरी पे अटैक कर रहा था और लोगों को परेशान कर रहा था. First, Shivaji conquered Javli and then Rairi Fort. Children, whether Shivaji easily got Rairi Fort? No, because More was the Jagirdar of Javli. Many people were jealous about Shivaji. The More of Javli was one such person. Children, he was the Jagirdar of Javli. The title Chandra Rao conferred upon More by Adil Shah. आदिल शाह जो है उन्होंने मोरे को चंद्र राव का टाइटल दिया था. His Jagir extended from रायगड to कोयना वॅली. In मराठी जावळी म्हणजे थिक फॉरेस्ट, घनदाट जंगल जो होता है, घना जंगल, उसे जावली बोला जाता है. More's Javli was covered with such a thick forest. It was full of wildlife. Tigers, wolves, and bears roamed freely in the Javli forest. More's Javli was thus like tiger's hideout. Therefore, no one crossed More's path. But only Shivaji had the courage to do so. सिर्फ शिवाजी जो है उनमें ये हिम्मत थी, उनमें ये धैर्य था कि वो मोरे की जावली में जा सकते थे. But children, Daulat Rao More died in 1645. After that, fight started among his descendants for Gadi. Descendants means relatives के बीच उस गादी के लिए झगड़ा होने लगा. What do you mean by गादी? गादी means जो थ्रोन होते हैं, ऐसे स्पेशल चेयर जो क्वीन यूज करते हैं, उनकी वो जो बैठने वाली चेयर होती है उसे थ्रोन बोला जाता है, और वो जो कुशन है उसे गादी बोला जाता है. So children, at that time Shivaji backed Yashwantarao More, who with Shivaji's help ascended the Gadi as Chandra Rao. But Shivaji helped Yashwantarao More and finally he got that Gadi. In return, he promised Shivaji to support in his struggle and also pay him annual tribute. Once he succeeded to the Gadi, he forgot all this, and later on he started attacking Shivaji's territory. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. गादी मिलने के बाद यशवंतराव मोरे जो है वो चेंज हो गए और उन्होंने शिवाजी के खिलाफ प्लान करना, शिवाजी के टेरिटरी पे अटैक करना शुरू किया. सो शिवाजी डिसाइडेड टू टीच अ लेसन टू यशवंतराव मोरे. Very first, Shivaji sent a stiff note to Yashwantarao More. What was Shivaji written in that? Let's see. Children, a stiff note means a strict note, a note which is written in hard words, strict words. What Shivaji written in that? You call yourself Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. So, do not call yourself the Raja. शिवाजी ने नोट में लिखा था कि आप खुद को राजा समझ रहे हो, लेकिन मैं राजा हूँ. ये किंगडम लॉर्ड शिवा की मुझे दी हुई गिफ्ट है. In a very rude reply, Yashwantarao said, You are a Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Javli, you will be trapped. By the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also in his graciousness given me a throne and a panoply of a Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Children, Yashwantarao More got angry. In a very rude reply, he wrote, शिवाजी तू कल का राजा था, ये किंगडम तुझे किसने दिया? और अगर आप जावली में आओगे तो मैं आपको बंदी बना रखूंगा. वह शिवाजी को डराने लगा, धमकाने लगा और बताया that I have received the title of Raja and throne from Adil Shah. शिवाजी, तुम मुझे परेशान करोगे तो मैं आपको बुरी तरह से तकलीफ दूंगा, आपको मारूंगा. Children, what do you think? Now Shivaji will take back foot? No. शिवाजी ने रिप्लाई में फिर से लेटर भेजा. Give up Javli and your pretensions to kingship. Come before your master with folded hands and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. शिवाजी ने आंसर दिया कि जावली और राजाओं के सामने अपना ढोंग अपने हाथ जोड़ कर लो और उनकी सेवा स्वीकार करो। लेकिन मुझे पता है तुम अपने आप को जोखिम में डालने से मना करोगे और ऐसा नहीं करोगे। Children, the conquest of Javli was a difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest and protected by the strong Rairi fort. Finally, Shivaji attacked Javli. Yashwantrao held out Javli for about a month. He then escaped to Rairi fort. Shivaji conquered Javli and then marched on Rairi. Children, Shivaji laid siege to the Rairi fort for 3 months. In front of Shivaji, Yashwantrao More had to give up. शिवाजी के सामने यशवंतराव मोरे हार गया। शिवाजी ने लगभग 3 महीने रायरी फोर्ट को सेज दिया, मतलब चारों ओर से रायरी फोर्ट कवर करके रखा था। बट इन फ्रंट ऑफ शिवाजी, यशवंतराव मोरे हैड टू गिव अप। द कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ जावली was a very important landmark. स्वराज के लिए जावली बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था। After capturing Javli and Rairi Fort, Shivaji was very happy. Strong Rairi Fort became a part of Swaraj. This doubled the boundaries of Swaraj. Yashwantarau's army too joined the forces of Shivaji. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. He changed its name to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on the Bhorpia hill nearby. It was named Pratapgarh. Children, now we will revise the changes in the names of forts by Shivaji Maharaj. Torna Fort was renamed as Prachandagarh. Hill of Murumbdev was renamed as Rajgarh. Rairi Fort was renamed as Raigad. And Bhorpia Hill was renamed as Pratapgarh. So children, we learnt in this lesson how Shivaji taught lesson to his enemies. For him, Swaraj first and then his relatives. Students, I hope you all understood the lesson well. Thank you.